is wrong, play along with every joke. But the mirror knows it all when I'm finally alone. Oh, you ask me how I'm doing, and I said I'm doing great. You didn't see my fingers crossed behind my back that day. I walk like I'm unshaken, but my chest is caving in. I smile so well in public, but I'm breaking deep within. And I don't need to lie to you, but the truth's too hard to say. So I fake it just to make it through another day. I say I'm fine, but I'm not okay. I'm standing tall in a world of gray, holding it in so I don't fall apart. But it's getting heavy on my heart. I say I'm fine, but I'm barely there, wearing strength like something I wear, so no one sees what's underneath the war I fight when I can't breathe. I still go through the motions, text back, show up, smile, all I'm cute, but inside it's like I'm fading. And I wish that someone knew I've learned to keep my distance, even in a crowded room. I'm not lonely cause I'm empty, I'm just tired of hiding truth. And I know you need it when you care, but I just don't know how to share what I've buried deep for years behind this glare. I say I'm fine, but I'm not okay. I'm standing tall in a world of gray, holding it in so I don't fall apart. But it's getting heavy on my heart. I say I'm fine, but I'm barely there, wearing strength like something I wear, so no one sees what's underneath the war I fight when I can't breathe. And maybe one day I'll say it out loud. Let the tears fall, let the silence drown. But tonight I'll keep pretending still, because silence hurts less than being real, real. So I'll smile and walk away again, another story